For this midweek video, we're going to take a stroll through the area known as Playa de Las Américas, which is part of the municipality of Arona in the south of Tenerife. This is one of the most popular areas for tourists, and also one of the most appreciated. Playa de las Américas is also a beach that we will see at the end of the video, and which gives its name to the area. Tourists and some maps, for simplicity's sake, often refer to this area simply as Las Américas. We walk along these pleasant pedestrian streets until we reach the main shopping street. Christmas is just a few days away, and here the temperatures are still very pleasant. As we will see, many people will be spending their time at the beach. Playa de las Américas is located between two other famous areas. On one side is Los Cristianos, also in Arona, and on the other is Costa Adage in the municipality of Adage, which includes the beaches of Troya. This is Las Américas Avenue, also commonly known as the Golden Mile due to its luxury stores. It is beautiful, and there are many more people there at night. In the morning, it's easy to see trucks delivering merchandise to the different stores. The Safari Shopping Center has one of the most beautiful fountains, which always puts on light shows at night. But we're out of luck because it's undergoing maintenance these days. Right across the street is the Hard Rock Cafe. This famous chain of pubs is located in a very nice hotel, but it has nothing to do with the Hard Rock brand. In fact, the Hard Rock Hotel is located in an area called Playa Paraíso, about 20 kilometers from here. We continue our walk through other pedestrian areas that will take us to El Camisón Beach. Don't forget to push a like button, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. These small things are free for you, but very important for the channel. Thank you. El Camisón is a small, quiet, and beautiful beach with light-colored sand. Playa de las Américas has only 3 beaches: El Camisón, Playa de las Américas itself, and Playa de las Vistas, which it shares with Los Cristianos. The area to the right of the beach is generally rocky and almost always windy. That is why it has always been an excellent area for small surfing activities, mainly for schools or beginners. We see the entire area from the drone and also admire the other beaches from above. Due to regulatory restrictions in this area, we cannot fly very high, but it is still beautiful to see everything from a different perspective. We continue through the surfers area and then return to the Golden Mile and drive along some of the surrounding roads.
la pasta que me trajo.
Passing through this parking area, we return to the coast and this splendid promenade with the shopping center overlooking the sea. Here, the promenade continues with more shops, restaurants, and relaxation in front of the ocean. With the view from the end of the real beach at Playa de las Américas, I bid you farewell and hope you enjoyed this walk. Thank you, and see you next time.